Guys, I've got to do some general maintenance around all the fields and that, so you can come with me. To be honest with you, I say there's not much to do, there's so much to do. They're just mind-numbing jobs. Obviously I've got my big thing. This actually goes quite deep into the hedge, but I'm just going to cut it off there. Try and get as far back as you can go, but these actually are bushes behind, so we can only trim, I guess, and hope they don't kill off the hedges. So that's fun. See what I mean? Look at these big boys. We'll also be resurfacing the Menage from sand to black rubber. So we've got all this to go down. I hate these things so much. Need to get some weed killer for these. See, this one petrifies me in case they fall on my head.